Hello friends, welcome to InfoShop channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss coding and decoding 10 important question and answers with explanation. So this comes under mental ability. So this will be very useful for all competitive exams. So let's go to the first question. So the first question is Sikkim, Sikkim is written as THLJJL. So what will be training written as? TRAINING. So we have four options. Option A is SQBHOHOH. Option B UQBJOHHO. Option C UQBHOHOF. Option D none of the above. So let's see the solution. So Sikkim is written as THLJJL. So in the alphabetical order, if you observe, so T comes after S, so the next letter I comes before H, L comes after K, and similarly all other letters. So the first letter is an increment and the second letter is a decrement. So here if you observe, so T is comes after S, I comes before H. So like this, each logic is like this. So based on this logic, the answer will be U Q B H O H O F. That is option C. So it is like this, training. So T, so U, so it is an increment, that is after T U will come. So next is R, it is a decrement, Q is a decrement, Q comes before R. So after A, next letter is B, so this is an increment. After I, H comes, so this is a decrement. After N, O comes, it's an increment. I comes before H, so this is a decrement. O comes after N, so it is an increment. G comes before H, so F, so this is a decrement. So this is like a increment and decrement in each letter. So that's how you get U, Q, B, H, O, H, O, F as the option. So let's go for the second question. The question is, monkey is written as XDJMNL. So what will be tiger written as? We have four options. A STFHS, B SHFDQ, option C QDFHS, and option D UJFHS. So please note on this question. So now let's go for the answer. So monkey is written as XDJMNL. So in this question, so if you see like M and X, they don't look like related. So but X and Y, they look related, means like X and Y are very close to each other. So in every like these alphabetic relations, we have to check like how each letter is related. So what we'll do is we will reverse monkey and write it as YEKMNOM. So if you check this YEKNOM and write XTJMNL, you can easily find the relation. So X comes before Y, D comes before E, J comes before K, M comes before N comes before O, and L comes before M. So when you are doing such word puzzles and all, so you have to see the relation between each letter. So for this we get the answer as QDFHS. So tiger, we rewrite it as REGIT. So R is Q, E is D, G is F, I is written with one letter decrement as H, and T is S. So we get the option as QDFHS. So let's go for the third question. Utensil, UTENSIL, is coded as WVGPUKN. Find the word which will be coded as DMSFXG. So we have four options: A, BKQDVE, option B, BKQDWF, option C, BKQDVF, option D, BKQDVE. So let's deduce the logic for this. So utensil is written as WVGPUKN. So this is kind of a tricky question. We have to use the coded word to find the answer. So what we mean is, so if you observe, see the options given are all start with B. So if you see U and B, so getting relations will be difficult. So but if you observe and also observe the answer, like for which we require the code, it is DMSFXG. So DMSFXG, so the closest letter to D is will be B rather than W or U. So here, so we see actually WVGPUKN code is utensil. So for DMSFXG, what will be the code? So if you read the question properly and check the options, you get more idea. So in this WVGPUKN and utensil, each letter is skipped backwards by two letters. That is W, U, V will be T, G will be E, P will be N, U will be S, K will be I, N will be L. So it is all decremented by two letters. So answer is BKQDVE. So DMSFXG, for D it will be B, so it is decremented by two letters. M will be K, S will be Q, F will be D, X will be V, G will be E. Like this we have to get the answer. So next is fourth question. If Delhi is coded as 73541 and Calcutta is as 825-89662, what will Calicut be coded? A, 5279431, B, 8251896, C, 5978213, option D, 8543691. Let's find the answer for this. So separately write as for each both of the letters in the question. For Delhi it is 7345541, for Calcutta it is 825-89662. So assign each alphabet to the corresponding number. From that we can easily deduce the answer. So for this answer will be B, 8251896. CALICUT, so it will be C 8, A 2, L will be 5, I will be 1, C will be 8, U will be 9, and T will be 6. So let's go for the fifth question. a word is represented by only one set of numbers in any one of the alternatives. So these are represented by alphabets in two given matrices. Matrix 1 is numbered from 0 to 4, matrix 2 from 5 to 9. Identify the number set for the word for the below word. The word is cold. The options are A 44, 96, 95, 22. Option B 31, 99, 77, 22. Option C 30, 66, 86, 43. Option D 10, 85, 79, 24. So please note down the matrices. So let's go for the solution. So let's go for the answer. From the matrix, for the corresponding row and column in which the letter is placed, place the corresponding number. So let's observe the matrix. For C, so C has two matrices, like from first row and the first column number. For C is the first number will be 0, 4. The second C is placed in 1, 0. The third C is placed in 2, 1. The fourth C is placed in 3, 1. So the last C is placed in 4, 4. Here the first number will be the row number and the second number will be the column number. So similarly, for O, we check the matrix, we check the corresponding row and column number and we get 57, 69, 78, 85, 96. For the word L, we get from matrix 2, 56, 68, 79, 89, 95. For the word D, matrix 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 1. So based on the above set of number, the answer is 10, 85, 79 and 24. So if you observe the options, so none of the numbers like correlate, only the last option will be working. So 10, 85, 79, 24 will be the answer. So let's go for the sixth question. If a cook is called a butler is called a manager is called a teacher is called a clerk, and a clerk is called as principal, who will teach in a class? The option is cook, B manager, C butler, D teacher, E clerk. So the answer is naturally a teacher will teach in a class. Here in this particular question, so the teacher role is assigned to a clerk. So the option E clerk will work. So he will teach the class based on the logic. Let's go for the seventh question. If T E E S E E P E E means drink fruit juice, S E E K E E L E E means juice is sweet, and L E E R E E M E E means he is intelligent, which word will mean sweet? The option is A S E E, B L E E, C K E E, D P E E, E T E E. So let's go for the solution. So the answer is, in the first and the second statement, the common word is juice. The common code is SCE. So SCE means juice. So in the second and third statement, the common word is and the common word is LEE. So it means is. So LEE means is. So therefore in the second statement, the remaining word sweet is coded as KEE. Hence, the answer is C, K-E-E. So, if you observe it, so TCP, drink fruit juice. So, in this TCP, drink fruit juice, and juice is sweet. So, juice. So, in the both this one, the common letter is C. So, juice means C. So, next is, and in the third statement, he is intelligent, and LEEREEMEE and LEE is the common word in both for is. So, is will be coded as LEE. So, the next word is, for sweet we have to find the answer. So, in which juice is sweet? For juice we have given as SEE. For is we have LEE. So, the option is KEE as the right answer. So, 8th question. In a certain code language, 324 means light is bright, 629 means girl is beautiful, 4758 means I prefer bright clothes. Which digit means light in that language? We have 4 options. A 3, B is 7, C is 4 and D is 2. Let's find the solution. So, in the first and the second statement, the common word is and its digit is 2. So, 3 to 4, light is bright. So, is 2, 6 to 9, girl is beautiful. So, 2 and is. So, the common code is and common letter, common number is 2. So, in the first and the third statement, the common word is bright and the common digit is 4. So, 3 to 4, light is bright, and in the third one, I prefer bright clothes. So, both where the common letter is 4. So, the final statement, light is bright. So, already for is we have the code as 2 and bright we have code 4. So, in the third statement, light is bright. So, it is first statement. So, it is 3 to 4. So, 2 4 already assigned. So, the for light the option is 3. That is A 3 is the right answer. So, in these type of questions, most of the logic will depend on how you read the question and the appropriate solutions. So, there you will get most of the hints. So, let us go for the 9th question. In a certain code, 975 means throw away garbage, 528 means give away smoking, and 213 means smoking is harmful. Which digit code means give? We have 4 options: A 5, B 2, C 8 and D 3. Let's find the answer for this. So, in the first and the second statement, the common digit 5 is 5 and the common word is away. If you observe the question, there is 975 and 528, common number is 5, and throw away garbage, give away smoking. So, away will be the common word. So, that is away. So, for away we assign as 5. In second and third statement, the common code digit is 2 and the common word is smoking. So, 2 means smoking. So, 5 to 8 give away smoking. So, away is already assigned 2, smoking is common and 2 is common in both. So, for smoking we assign as 2. So, next we have give. So, give is in the second statement. So, away is already assigned as what? So away is assigned as 5 and smoking is assigned as 2. So give away smoking. So the option is 8. So 5 to 8, give away smoking. So away is assigned as 2, smoking is assigned as 5. So the option is C, 8. Let's go for the 10th question. Two columns with words and codes are given. They are not given in the same order. Find the code for the word solace. In column 1, DELIBEARATION, deliberation, AEMRQS. Similarly, considerate, CCEHLMO, ghost like, CFHMOQQRX, worldly, CDGMQRSXZ, knowledge, ADEFMOPQQSZ, rocket, CEFKMOPQQSZZ. The options are A, AEDPQR, B, ACDMPQ, C, ACEMOQ, D, DEMOPQ. Let's find the solution. Deliberation is a 12-letter word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the corresponding 12-letter word in the given codes is CEFKMOPQQSZZ. So there are 12 code letters. For considerate is a 11-letter word. Similarly, for there is a 11-letter corresponding code and it is ADEFMOPQQSZ. Ghost like and knowledge are 9-letter words each. So in this, knowledge has 2 E letters identical. So the corresponding code with 2 identical letter is Q. So it is CFHMOQQRX. So ghost like code will be CDGMQRXSXZ. Similarly, worldly is a 7-letter word. CCEHLMO is the code. So rocket is a 6-letter word. AEMRQS is the code. So if you rearrange now, it will be deliberation will be CEFKMOPQQSZZ. Considerate will be ADEFMOPQQSZ. Ghost like will be CDGMQRSXZ. Worldly will be CCEHLMO. Knowledge will be CFHMOQQRX. Rocket will be AEMRQX. So now we have the correct letters and the corresponding codes. So we will deduce the individual code and the letter. So the common letter in all the words is O and the common code letter is M. So if you observe, in every letter there is O, 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 O and O. So in all the codes there is M common everywhere. So O is M. In worldly and rocket, common letter other than O is R. So the corresponding code will be E. In ghost like and worldly, the other common code letter C stands for L. In deliberation and worldly, the common code letters CEM stands for L, R and O respectively. The other common code letter O stands for D. So in worldly and knowledge, the common code letters M, C, O stand for O, L, D respectively. So the other common code letter H stands for W. So in knowledge, there are 2 E's and letter Q occurs twice in the code. So Q stands for E. In knowledge and rocket, the common code letters M and Q stand for O and E respectively. So the other common code for R stands for K. So in Ghost Like and Rocket, common code letters M and Q stand for O and E respectively. So the other common letters S and S stands for T. In Rocket, remaining code letter A stands for C. In Ghost Like and Knowledge, the common code letters M, C, R, Q stands for O, L, K, E respectively. So other common code letters X stands for G. In Knowledge, the remaining code F stands for N. So in Deliberation and Ghost Like, the common code letters Q, C, S and M stands for E, L, T, O respectively. So common code letter Z stands for I. In Considerate and Ghost Like, the common code letters M, Z, Q and S stands for O, I, E, T respectively. So the common code letter D stands for S. In Ghost Like, the remaining letter G stands for H. In Considerate, the remaining code letter P stands for A. So in Deliberation, the remaining code letter K stands for B. So we get below code and corresponding letter. Code M, letter O, E, R, C, L, O, D, H, W, I, Y, Q, E, R, K, S, T, A, C, X, G, F, N, Z, I, D, S, G, H, P, A, K, B. So we get the individual code and the individual letter. Now we can easily get the answer. So based on the above deduction, the code for Solace is S, D, O, M, L, C, A, P, C, A, E, Q. So the option is B, A, C, D, M, P, Q. By this, we come to the end of the video with 10 important questions for coding and decoding. If you like more videos based on coding and decoding, please mention in the comment section. Please subscribe and press the bell icon button. Thanks for watching the video.